Peace out. Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus a Samsung Galaxy A70, and this phone is giving you a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the Note 9 is giving you a Exynos 9810 processor with a 6GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And A70 is having a upper mid-range phone from Samsung, and the Note 9 is having the flagship phone from 2018. And Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is the fastest one, and A70 is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see about 2 or 4 second difference there between both of these phones, and everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Note 9, I think, launching the settings, and faster on the Note 9 launching some more application like the My Files, and that was about the same on both phones. Very small difference between both of these phones. My Clock, and again that was about the same on both phones, launching the calendar application, and again that was about the same on both phones. So let's launch some games application, and first is the Candy Crush on both phones. And Note 9, it is much expensive than the A70, and you can see A70 it is faster there, and Note 9 it is right behind, about 1 second difference there, launching the Subway Surfer on both phones. And A70 it is super duper fast because Note 9 is showing me a logging thing, so that is why a huge difference. Launching the last game application is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. And again Samsung Galaxy A70 is faster there, about half a second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and faster on the Note 9, very super faster there. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome on both phones. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones. First website is the facebook.com on both phones, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And same Wi-Fi network as well on both phones, and A70 it is faster than the Note 9. Next up is the wikipedia.org on both phones, and again I think that was about the same on both phones, and you can see looking very good on both phones. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones is giving you a 6GB RAM, and Note 9 is giving you a Super AMOLED Quad HD display. And last is the internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70, and Note 9 it is right behind to the A70, and the games application is not faster on the Note 9, but the system based application faster on the Note 9, and RAM measurement is very good on both phones, not much difference between both of these phones. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A70 versus a Note 9. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.